So this is a quick note about an application I've written. The application is called Touch Buddy, and the problem Touch Buddy solves is where I work, we have a lot of meeting rooms. There's always some type of meeting with all sorts of laptops and things going on in the meeting. Often technical support is required. We had two really busy technical support guys who could be anywhere in the building. And so what we were looking for was a really non-destructive means of users of the rooms that were experience issues could just hit a button and have some detail about the message, about the issue reported to our technical support guys, and then they could send a message back that they were coming. We wanted to do something better than a mobile phone call in the meeting, and so what we came up with was a solution that utilized the Touch 10 panels on our Cisco codecs, for which all of our rooms are equipped with, and an interface to Webex Teams. And I'm going to talk you through how all that works. Let me talk you through how this works. So here's a diagram that is a scaled down version of what we've got in real life, of course, but we have meeting rooms equipped with Cisco codecs that utilize the Touch 10 panel. These, of course, are registered to the cloud or to a call manager. And then here we have a Linux or Windows server that is used for what we call the Room Control API. And of course, we have roving support team members. So let's do a quick demo here. Here's a panel that we've written for the Touch 10. And what would happen in a meeting is that if a user of the meeting room was experiencing a problem, they would just press the button that was most applicable to what they're experiencing. So let's go and request some technical help. And we'll see that incident TBI 35 has been registered, and you can see that on our Python application that's been registered. But most importantly, what we see here is that Webex Teams has received what we call a Microsoft adaptive card, and then we can see that technical help is required in the Artarmon engineer's office, incident number TBI 35. So the engineer, the support team member who is available or who is able to attend to that call, hits a button on the Microsoft adaptive card. This can also be on their phone. I'm just using an iMac here because that's what I've got available. And we will see that on our Touch 10 panel here that William Wong is, Timothy Leach is attending to the call. There's his phone number. And so they may, if it's more urgent, want to step out and give them a call, but that first level of communication has been taken care of via the Touch 10 panel. The other thing to note is there's a database behind this. I'm still working on the user interface for that, but that records each call, and some timers in there track how long it takes for the call to be acknowledged, and there's another timer there that tracks how long it takes for a call to be closed. So more to come, but if you'd like to try this, it's up on GitHub. I've put the details up on the screen there. Please just download it, give it a try, and I'd really like some feedback on this. Thank you.